This is a demonstration on how to set up Auto Scale. From your navigation window, click on Classic Infrastructure, Devices, and you will find the Auto Scale item. Now you are in the Auto Scale dashboard. Click on Add Auto Scale Group to create a new group. You will give your group a unique name and select a region. The region you select will give you a list of data centers to select for your auto scale. You have the option to click the first available data center or a specific data center in your selected region. Next, select the termination policy to tell Auto Scale which members to remove. Make your network selections and complete the remaining fields, and select your computing instance, RAM, network speed, operating system, and disks. You can add a post-install script as needed. Create the number of policies needed to add or remove servers based on your criteria. Give your policy a name. And the cooldown period tells Auto Scale how long to keep your servers running after the criteria has expired. Add your trigger. We're going to add a trigger telling Auto Scale that when our CPU percentage is greater than 80 for 30 minutes, then we want the scale group to add a minimum of one server. And we are going to go ahead and add that policy. You can create multiple policies. You can return to the Auto Scale dashboard at any time to make changes to your group. This concludes the demo of setting up Auto Scale.